Hi, Dorfel. Can you package at our facility or does it have to be shipped to your location for packaging?
Doifel can package anywhere, whether it's your facility, a vendor's facility, or even one of Doifel's locations. Things to factor when choosing to leave the equipment at your facility or a vendor's facility are the cost of travel for the workers, the cost of transportation for materials and tooling, and any equipment that may be needed to move the machines and load the machines. Things to consider when shipping your product to one of our Doifel locations is do you have the skilled labor or the equipment to be able to move the machines easily and safely? And then the last thing is that there's an additional cost for transportation that you have to factor in. Sometimes the cost of transportation is more expensive than sending a crew and setting up a crew and getting all the equipment to your facility. Sometimes it's more expensive to send a crew, and you may choose to transport the machines to a Doifel facility.